The Office for Victims of Crimes estimates that 30% of Americans will be involved in an alcohol-related accident at some point in their lifetime. Because of that, it is not only important to know what to do if you are a victim of a drunk driving accident, but also to understand your legal rights so that you do not become a victim twice. My guest today is Los Angeles personal injury attorney Peter Steinberg of Steinberg & Spencer, and he's going to talk with us today about this topic. So Peter, thank you for being with us today.
Oh, my pleasure, Cindy. Nice to be here.
Well, Peter, what are some of the biggest legal challenges associated with handling a drunk driving claim?
Well, I think the most serious aspect of handling a drunk driving claim is the severity of the injury that many people sustain. Drunk driving accidents can really be devastating, and helping to put somebody's life back together after an accident with a drunk driver is the first thing that we always try and do for our clients.
Okay, now Peter, in a drunk driving accident where there are both civil and criminal charges, does that give the victim additional avenues for compensation in the civil claim?
Well, Cindy, sometimes we can allege punitive damages in a civil case, and although they're very hard to obtain, and you never know if the responsible drunk driver has any assets, but there's that, if you want to call it a benefit, if a drunk driver has caused an accident with one of our clients. But the public and juries are very outraged against drunk drivers, as you would expect, and we're all thankful for. And so it almost makes representing a victim of a drunk driver a little easier. But the injuries are usually fairly substantial, so it's always pretty devastating.
Well, Peter, I know that your firm has been involved in supporting the MAD organization, which of course is Mothers Against Drunk Driving. How long have you been doing that, and what is your involvement?
Well, Mothers Against Drunk Driving, Cindy, is a wonderful organization. We've been involved with them for probably about 5 or 6 years now, and they're advocates on behalf of victims of drunk driving, and just a wonderful organization.
Okay. Now, if someone has specific questions and wants to reach your office, how can they do that, Peter?
Well, there's 2 ways to reach us, Cindy. Our toll-free number is pretty easy. It's 1-800-350-8888. Again, that's 1-800-350-8888. Or our website is www.steinbergspencer.com.
Very good, Peter. Thank you for your time today.
You're quite welcome, Cindy. Always nice to talk to you.
This is Cindy Speaker for Main Street Law.